Hi everyone! Today I'm super excited to color Blippi. Before we start, I've already prepared the markers I'll be using. First, skin color, orange color, sky blue color, black color, and lastly, red color. Okay friends, now it's time to color.
Let's take a ride on a rocket ship, sailing high. Let's take a trip through the stars so far and wide. Hold on tight, enjoy the ride. Zoom, zoom, here we go, flying fast, don't be slow. Magic dreams, big and bright. Let's explore the sky tonight. Dive so deep under the sea, find a fish and swim with me. Colorful corals, treasure so old, a world of wonders to behold. Anywhere we want to be, just imagine, come with me. Close your eyes and count to 3. A magic world is what we'll see. Zoom, zoom, here we go, flying fast, don't be slow. Magic dreams, big and bright. Let's explore the sky tonight. Round and round, up and down, adventure waits in every town. Dream big dreams, let's explore